Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy USDT on Quidax. It's quite simple. All you need to do is simply log on to a browser. And for today, I'm going to be using the Google Chrome. It works well with Safari and other browsers you might have. So once you've opened it up, the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen, simply select that icon. And once you've selected the icon, click on the signing option. And once you've signed in, all you need to do is simply enter your email address and fill in the "I'm not a robot." That's the CAPTCHA. So once you've done that, you're then logged in. And in order to buy yourself some USDT, simply select the buy or sell menu, which is just this crate here, this cart. Once you've done that, the currency to buy, you simply select the USDT, Tether, and you could either buy this with the Nigerian Naira or whatever your native currency is, and you could make use of this option. Then simply enter an amount you wish to purchase the USDT with or for, and once you've done that, click on the continue option and you'll be able to purchase your USDT. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can go about any of these, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.